Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x. Next we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that 1 over x next to y with the positive in here. This one, that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And we have f and x. So we simplify that is about x. That means we need to multiply both sides by x. So this one we have like this. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have sy. The integration of 4x to the power of 3, that is about x to the power of 4. The next one 2x squared. The next one we have 2x, and I will put about c. Later that we divide both sides by x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.